don't think there's a best memory. Again, I'm still doing this after, it'll be 40 years, and I've been practicing, it'll be 46 years. And just the fact that I enjoy coming to work every day. And in 46 years, I never said, I can't believe I got to go to work today. It's just constantly enjoying the work and having other people enjoy too.
I mean, some of the obvious is, you know, you drive up on care day and you see a long line of 100 people waiting outside, you know, people who need work, don't necessarily know where or how to get work. So you always feel good after that day. You know, you just feel, it's not a financial reward, it's an emotional and award and a professional award that you did something good. I love seeing the staff grow. To me, that's great. I love when my assistants come in, they're new, they're right out of high school, they're right out of training, whatever, and just seeing in their minds they want to learn what you're doing, they want to see what you're doing, they want to experience, they want to assist different people so they can learn different procedures. So seeing them grow from a new employee to somebody who's been here for 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years. You know, I love seeing the growth aspect of these people becoming more responsible, and you know, I like that. Another memory I have, and it's at a dentist. I was at Babylon Dental Care. I remember this woman, she was seeing her, I think her adopted child. She was going to reunite with her. I hadn't seen her in decades, maybe since birth. I don't remember the story. And she needed a lot of dental work, so we did what we had to do. And I remember the day she came and we put it in, and I just left her with a mirror. And she was happy. I left her with a mirror, so you can check it out. I'll be right back, and just to tell her the thing. So I come back into the room, you know, 5 minutes later, staring at the thing, crying. I'm like crying. I'm like, oh God, here we go. You know, I says everything right. She's like, I'm so happy. She's like, this is such a change. I'm so excited that now I can go and see my daughter who's never seen me, who hasn't seen me in 20 or 30 years. And I just feel so, you know, she hugged, all that stuff. And you can't, you know, you can't even replace anything with that. I mean, that's just a feeling that, you know, I can't even describe. So I mean, if you look at like one of my favorite times at Babylon Dental Care, it was probably something like that, where you know you made a difference in, I mean, like a real difference in someone's life. I mean, you know, sure, we get people out of pain. Sure, we make people, you know, so they can function, they can chew, they can eat, they can swallow for the diet and the health. But, you know, also from a cosmetic point of view, we're not talking about this somebody who comes out of a little chip. I mean, this was life changing. When this person came in, and she totally was a new person, both physically and mentally, just because of something that I did and that the team did. You know, I can't even take full credit. You know, we all did it. So I just wanted to share that.
Well, I think the most exciting memory was when we first realized, because those who have been here for a long time know that we started out in a single storefront building, and then we were able to rent the building next to it, break the wall down, and make double our size, and that was very exciting. But I think when we realized that even that was not going to be enough, we were in a situation where we had a patient in the waiting room, a doctor in the hallway, and no room to get them together. So I think that was really a momentous occasion when we realized that we had to even go bigger. So that was probably the most exciting thing that's happened. You know, just knowing that all of that hard work, all of those little details we were trying to pay attention to, all of a sudden are paying off, and you know, things are kind of exploding.
BC memories, a lot of them include parties, Christmas parties, summer barbecues, but the one that stands out to me the most is when I was pregnant with my second little girl. We had a staff meeting, and when I went up front for the staff meeting, it wasn't a staff meeting, it was a baby shower that they threw for me and my friend Katie, who were both pregnant at the same time. So that was really special, and that meant a lot to me.
I've been with Babylon Dental Care long enough to have a lot of really good memories. Best memories are our care days each year. There's always like a really big high with that, but also working with the team members that I've been working with for so many years. We've had some great outings together, great events together that's just kept us going as a family, which those are some really great memories.
One of my best memories, let's see. I think one of my best memories here, it's always gonna go back to the care days. I mean, it's something that everyone gives up their time. They come in on a Sunday. I mean, we're here all day together. It's just so nice to just see everybody from 7 a.m. on a Sunday morning until 3 o'clock. I mean, we are just happy and helping people. And I think I couldn't pick just one. I think it's every single time that we do that. I think that's really just something that sticks with me, that I know I gave back to the community and people are so grateful. So I think that's definitely something that's always going to stick with me.
My favorite memory at BDC was when I began treating patients in hygiene. So going from a greeter role to an assistant role, and then being able to treat patients one-on-one, and being able to provide treatment to my special needs patients. That's been really special for me personally. I think that's what drives me.
I have a lot of memories. I think every day that I come to work, I love the team. Even when there's a hectic day, we are able to go through the managing the workflow really good, and we laugh a lot.
As far as patients go, I had this one little girl. She was probably 7 or 8 years old, crying and just very hysterical. I was able to calm her down, get through the cleaning, and then at the end of it, her mom was like, she wants to say something to you. So she came up to me and said, I want to do what you do when I'm older. And I lost it because I just thought it was a lot for her to go through. And then to say that at the end, it was really nice to hear.
The thing that really brings me a lot of joy is seeing patients in tears when they see their new smile or they're out of pain. And so to me, that is the world to me, because this is why I got into this field, is to make a difference in people's lives. The fact that I'm able to do that in a high quality environment, it's just amazing.